Hey there, are you ready to supercharge your real estate investing game? Imagine spending 3 full days immersed with the most powerful players in the multifamily real estate all in one place. That's exactly what Ultimate Partnering 2025 in Dallas is all about. From September 26 to 28, RE Mentor is bringing together over 1,000 real estate professionals for a full throttle experience of deal making, networking, and real actionable strategies. This is where serious momentum begins. So I'm thrilled to be joined by none other than David Lindahl, founder of RE Mentor and the mastermind behind the Ultimate Partnering Conference. David, thank you for being here.
My pleasure.
So let me ask you this. For someone eyeing this event, what's your favorite part of Ultimate Partnering? What makes it different from others?
It's the diversity of people in the room. You've got people in there that everybody's looking to do a deal one way or the other. You've got people with money, so people are there to get money from people to do their deals, and people are looking to give money to get deals done. People are looking to get partners for their business, and people are looking to do deals. So it's a trifecta of networking.
And it's been happening for multiple years, right? People are finding
We have been doing this now for 21 years.
And people are finding success in finding the deals and partnerships.
If it wasn't working, we wouldn't be doing it for 21 years.
Awesome. So this event also promises powerful networking, but what does it look like in action? Share one example with us, please.
Well, we have what we call sometimes forced networking, where we do speed networking, where people meet each other for 30 seconds each. So this is great for the introverts in the room. We've got, at the end of the day, we have a networking session. We're going to have a networking dinner. So it's all about bringing people together. There's great education from the stage, but in the back room, it's constant networking. Plus, it's a really open environment. 75% of the people there are alumni, RE Mentor alumni. The other 25% are newer. But I mean, we've got such a warm community that's open-armed and just looking to fulfill other people's needs. It's a great place to be.
Wow, I'm already excited. So between all these workshops, matchmaking, or exclusive roundtables, is there one key takeaway people can expect when they get back home?
Well, you go there with intent. So whatever you need for your business, you go there with that intent and you will find it. It's just as simple as that.
So you should make your wish list before you go there. What exactly
you're looking for? That's how we train people to go to the event. Write down the top 3 things that you want from that event. Go there with the intent to get it, and then just go from person to person until it's there. And a lot of times, we're going to have for the first time ever, we call it the information booth, or the Jeannie kissing booth, because she's been with me for 27 years. She knows everybody, so you can just go up to Jeannie with your need, and she'll have like 2 or 3 people that she knows from her brain, and she'll tell you who that is that will fulfill that.
She's the real connector. I love her. She's super awesome. I love her energy. And, this is the real value, whether this is your first time at Ultimate Partnering or you've been there before. I think this is where the real deal happens, relationship grow, and the momentum takes up. But don't wait. The prices will go up. I think on September 11th, if I got that right, Dave, the ticket price will go up, right? So yep. I would say, we have something special for you. Use the code Loomba, my last name, LOOMBA at the checkout, and you'll get $200 off your ticket today. So to rementor.com, grab your seat now. So David, thank you for sharing behind the scenes. Is there anything else you'd like to add for our audience? Because I'm pretty sure when they're going to see you, they'll be super excited to join the conference.
Well, Ari, that event's my favorite event of the year because it's so much fun. I mean, it's just a lot of fun, and you get a lot of things done, and you just walk away from it thinking, "Wow, that was great." And it's probably the one comment that we get from newer people that come to the event is, "Wow, I can't believe how many people are actually doing deals in this room."
Wow. I'm looking forward to it, actually. And to everyone who's watching, if you're serious about investing, building powerful connections, and scaling your wealth, Ultimate Partnering 2025 is where all this happens. So let's make this your breakout year. See you in Dallas. Thanks, David. See you in Dallas.
Yeah, my pleasure. Take care.